All right, so let's make a magic circle. So to start off with, you are going to feed the yarn over and through your fingers like you normally would to start working on a project. Personally, I like to take it like I am about to show you here between each of my fingers, like I'm showing. That's just my preferred way to tension. Really, you can do it however you want. What matters is right here. So you're going to take your yarn and wrap it over the top of your pointer finger, and you're going to pinch the tail between your thumb and middle finger, and it's going to make an X over your finger where the tail comes over the working yarn, which is the ball sitting somewhere. Next, you'll grab that tail from your thumb and middle finger, wrap it over your middle and ring finger, then you'll pinch the tail just like before, but now with your thumb and your pinky. Next, you're going to be taking your crochet hook and you're going to turn it toward your fingers like you see me do here. You're going to slip it under the tail and then grab the yarn, that's the working yarn, with the hook. You're going to pull that yarn through, and as you do that, you are going to turn your hook. You need to get that twist in the yarn to sort of lock those pieces together. So I'm going to show you again, this time a little slower and more from the side. So as you can see, there's still that X. So remember, you're going to turn your hook towards your fingers, slip it under the tail that's crossing over, grab the yarn, pull it through while turning. Mine's pretty exaggerated. And then you are going to chain one. Then you'll want to tighten that slip knot a little bit. And if you need to, you can also tighten the loop on your hook down like you see me do here. And that is it. So right here, I am showing you if you pull the tail, the circle gets smaller. You pull on the circle, it gets bigger. So now I am going to take my hook out of the yarn so I can show you the true test of a magic circle. I'm going to pull my yarn until everything comes undone, and as you can see right here, it pulls apart nice and easy, and that's it. So that is how you can make a magic circle.